In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Zoho CRM. Managing duplicate records efficiently is crucial to maintaining clean, organized data, and this process can save you time and prevent confusion. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific record you're investigating, such as a lead or a contact. Once you've located your record, look to the top right area of your screen for the More Actions button, which is represented by 3 dots. This button provides you with additional options related to the record you're managing. When you click on these dots, you'll see several options appear in a drop-down menu. From here, select the Find and Merge Duplicates option. This selection leads you to a new screen where you can adjust the search criteria for identifying duplicates. Zoho CRM allows you to search based on up to 6 different fields, such as email or phone number, depending on how you'd like to cross-check the records. The match criteria can be set to any or all. Choosing any will locate duplicates across any of the selected fields, whereas selecting all will only identify duplicates if they match in every field you specify. Taking a moment here to carefully set your criteria will refine your search, ensuring you don't miss anything relevant or inadvertently merge non-duplicates. Once you're satisfied with your setup, proceed to hit the Search button. Zoho CRM will then display potential duplicates. You can choose up to 3 duplicate records to review in one go. Carefully select the records you want to merge, and then click Next to proceed to the next step in the merging process. At this point, it's important to choose the most relevant master record. Think of this master record as the definitive version that you'll keep moving forward. After you've selected it, you'll need to address any field-by-field conflicts manually. This means you'll review the data from each selected duplicate and decide which piece of information should be preserved for each field. This part might seem a bit tedious, but spending a little extra time here ensures the accuracy and reliability of your data. With all conflicts resolved, you're ready to finalize the merge. Click the Merge button, and Zoho CRM will consolidate the selected records, along with all related notes, attachments, and activities into your chosen master record. This step is crucial as it ensures that no pertinent information is lost during the merge. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently clean up duplicate records in Zoho CRM, helping you maintain a streamlined and accurate database. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips.